Hello everyone, welcome to AI DBA Hub channel, a knowledge sharing channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle AI database 26 AI software only installation step by step. And I have already installed and configured Oracle Linux 8.9 version for this database installation. And also I have prepared the high level steps for this database Oracle database 26 AI installation. So basically we need to do hardware requirements and download the softwares and unzip that database software into the Oracle database directory and install that database binaries. Okay, this is the steps I have prepared, but let me validate that steps one by one. Okay, so memory 3 GB, process 2 processors, and swap memory 10 GB, 3 GB, and temporary location temp storage. So this is the file system. So I did not create any file system, but prior to that we need to configure we need to download all the software. So I downloaded all the softwares on Oracle Database 26 AI RDBMS binary in this location. So you can see here, this is the RDBMS binary, this is the grid binary, and this is RPM version of Oracle Enterprise Edition Database 26 AI. This is the pre-install request. This is pre-install for Oracle user creation and all other settings. So let me first create that Oracle user running that pre-install. Okay, so DNF. So I'll go with the steps. And one more thing, on the release database OS release version. So it is 8.9. Okay, and coming to this, we need to run this one for running that pre-install. So it's running now. So it is required some dependencies to install. The RPM dependencies, it's required to install the pre-install Oracle database pre-install 26 AI. Once it is completed, we can go ahead and create the directories required, and after that we'll start that Oracle 26 AE RDBMS binary installation. Now I'm going to perform only that software only installation. In my next video, I will demonstrate that Oracle database CDB plus PDB container database creation step by step, and also for my upcoming videos, it's all about Oracle database 23 AA and database 26 AA, as well as that Postgres database installation and performance issues and all. It's taking quite some time. Yes, it's the dependencies are getting installed. Yes, the binaries are that RPM binaries, the requested prerequisites all getting installing, and this is all that prerequisites and dependencies. It's required for the Oracle pre-install 26 AI. So the Oracle pre-install, it's now completed. You can validate that Oracle. So it is available, right? Okay. So what next? We are going to create the directories, required directories, U01 and U02. So that before that I did that configuration, that SE Linux permissive and set enforce and enabled, and the systems are I stopped the firewall, and so let me create this directories. So I created couple of U01 and U02 directories, as well as the 26 database home directory. So it is available, and this is a data file location which I am going to create, and I'm going to create one more directory for FRA. Okay, now I have already copied the downloaded that RDBMS binaries in this location 26 AI software here. So what I'm going to do, like I'm going to copy that RDBMS binary into Oracle DB Home. I copied that zip file to database location, DB location. So now I'll open another putty session as a Oracle user. Before that, I need to change the password. Now I'm in Oracle user. Okay. So now we'll go to that Oracle U01 location. So here we are going to unzip. So it will take quite some time. So binary extraction completed. So I am starting Oracle 26 AI installation. Run installer. So very first time Oracle 26 AI installation. It's Oracle AI database. Our channel also AI DBA Hub. So hereafter I am going to deliver all the AI related content. So I am going to set up a software only. So simple is for database installation only. Simple instance database. Upper location it's right. So inventory location is also right. O install. So started installation. This is software only installation. So in my next video, I'm going to create a Oracle database configuration step by step with CDB plus PDB using DBCA method. So now it's asking for that a couple of root scripts needs to run, right? Okay, we'll copy and run that root script. Okay. So now the software installation it's completed. So this is all about Oracle 26 AI database 26 AI installation step by step for that software only installation. We will see you on next video for that Oracle database 26 AI database creation. Thank you.